Ikaw na,
Ako
Jerome,
po
sige, bro.
kasi kasi din ako
Ah,
naglaro kanina eh. So, meron naman po yung community natin na nabanggit na nga ni Brother Rusty. Yung Live Christ, Share Christ, may works of mercy siya. Yung No One in Need, Work with the Poor. Ito nga, had a chance, hindi kasing regular ni na Brother TJ tsaka ni Brother Aris. Naka had a chance to visit and to share doon sa isang talk. So it's a very good experience kasi you can see in each and every one of ano at that time when I my first time I could say that I see Jesus in each in every one of them kasi ang galing nila mag pray ng Divine Mercy Chaplet Chaplet ba? Tagalog version. And then, of course, dito naman sa church namin, Divine Mercy, may mga times din na yung apostolate dito bigay ng pagkain sa ako naman, hindi ako direkta yung assist lang magsasama at mag-aabot ng mga pagkain sa dun sa mga
mm,
street, yung mga walang
mm,
tirahan that time. So, it's also a good opportunity because again, kahit ganun yung condition nila, you see Jesus in them. And then, I hindi ganun ka-regular, but of course, if yun nga, paglabas mo nga lang ng simbahan, andyan naman sila also to share whatever you have. Ako ako nga, naging recipient din ako
mm,
eh. Although hindi naman na with regards to feeding the hungry or drink, but more on the financial. So, and I am very thankful and my heart is full to you,
mm,
brothers. And na don't need to mention, but I, ini-equate ko na lang siya ng prayer, no? Whenever I go to mass, in my adoration. Kasi yun naman, ko rin is, really, yung how to become a person of love is you love God through the sacraments, uh, through His adoration. Uh, Parang, yun nga, and it's, hindi ko rin ma-explain, but ganun, parang every day I have to go. It's because of love. I have to go to just to be there with to spend time with Jesus sa mass and then kahit konti rin sa Blessed Sacrament. That so that my prayer is that you be able really to mirror him into his image and likeness. That's why you spend time with him there in the sacraments, that graces. So, ayun, I am very tawag nito, grateful for yun nga the you brothers for the love that also you have shared, no? So, of course, sabi nga ni Bishop Baron, in our family, we are also, tayo nga, nagtatrabaho, we also feed our family. Well, in a way, we are feeding them with our rin, as the family head. And we provide them, of course, shelter. But outside of the family, of course, as much as possible kung ano yung kaya mo lang. But ayun nga, yung prayer, no, yung also papasalamat din ako dahil although yung tatay ko, hindi ko talaga siya na-visit kasi nasa Davao siya. Yung kapatid ko talaga yung nandun sa parang almost there 24 hours. Pero I was grateful because of course, yung prayer, although may iba kang kapatid na parang hindi ma-appreciate yung contribution mo, sa dahil hindi rin ako makapag-contribute financially. Yung hindi rin talaga ako masyado nakapag-spend time din doon sa ano, more on yun nga when kahit hindi naman nagkasakit yung tatay ko, talagang ito nga kahit nakalawas na continuous yung prayer ko kasi yung hindi lang sa physical yung kanyang pinagdadasal ko but yung spiritual eh. So yung kanyang conversion, yung heart niya. Kaya nga yung prayer ko nga 'di ba kanina rin, it's really for those lukewarm hearts din. Although ito yung mga spiritual works of mercy but these are very equally important din, na we continue also to pray to each other when we pray nga, di ba? For those who are sick physically and spiritually. So, ayun, even if financially, I still give, no? Paminsan nga, ano ko pa na parang kulang yata tong ano naibigay ko. Merong meron kang orange na papel, meron ding ano, paminsan yung orange na So nagsasorry rin ako, Lord. Kuripot ko, Lord, hindi dapat bigay ko pa yung mas malaking ano sa inyo. Ah, ayun. So, yun ang gusto ni Lord na when you uh, give it with your heart is full. Kanya naman kasi to, itong mga what itong mga whatever I earn or whatever I receive. That's what I learned na kaya I just give it back to him, no? Kung ano man yung kanya. I'm slowly learning itong ano pagiging ma-overcome ko yung pagiging tawag niya kuripot
Mm.
or sa so have to really be cheerful giver then. So I think yun lang, I continue pa rin to ano to learn. Hindi ko naman talaga na fulfill regularly siya. So yun lang po yung aking ano
Okay.
may share.
Mm.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you. Okay.